How to fix account disabled due to suspicious activity login on Snapchat. In this tutorial, I'll show you guys how you can fix this. So if you have tried different attempts in logging in and unable to do so, that might be the reason why your Snapchat account is disabled. In that case, the first thing you're going to have to do is head over to Snapchat and open up its settings. Now just go to your Snapchat settings, long press on your Snapchat and go to app info. From here, you're going to have to clear out your Snapchat storage. So go ahead and clear cache first, and then you're going to have to clear data. Now, doing this will completely refresh your Snapchat. So after doing that, you could clear out all of the data. Then try to log back in using your Snapchat. And other thing that you can do is go to your Snapchat and reset its password. If you reset your password, you should be able to log in without any problem. And if none of that works, you're going to have to contact Snapchat support. So go to your web browser and search for Snapchat support. Hit enter. Click on the first link. Now from here, you're going to have to navigate your way to contact the Snapchat support team. Tap on contact us. And then from here, you can submit a request. So choose, I think my account was compromised. Click here to contact support team and just fill out your information, explain what happened, and they should be able to get your account back. I hope this was helpful to you guys, and I'll see you on the next one.